Hi, this is how Feminity works. You put in your details, and you type your password, and you log in. So once you log in, you see dashboard, which involves pregnancy tracker, period tracker, and childcare tracker. So for pregnancy tracker, you're able to track your pregnancy journeys, your symptoms, and monitor your appointments, your antenatal appointments. For period tracker, you're able to log your menstrual cycles, your symptoms, and also, analyze your symptoms. While for childcare tracker, you're able to manage your overall child's health, your child's growth, and your child's milestones. So for pregnancy tracker, as a first time user, you're able to you'll be asked this question so that it will help personalize the use of the app. So it's your first pregnancy, yes. You got okay, today is your last menstrual period. Do you have any other health condition? No. Resource factor, yes. You can also pick the other health conditions. Maybe you have diabetes or hypertension. You can also pick them. So genotype, AS, various. Then your weight, 60 kg. Then your blood group, and then you submit. So once you submit, it takes you to a dashboard where you're able to access your medical logs, information about your baby and your body. So in medical logs, you have antenatal notes, you have medications where you can add medications and get reminders about those medications, and also symptoms that accompany each day as a pregnant woman. You're able to record them and log them on Feminity App. Also, about your baby, you're able to log in your baby's fetal heart rates. You're also able to, log your kick counter. So for instance, can you see? So why for my body, you're able to log as a pregnant woman, you also log your weight so that you can be able to track your weight. You're also able to log your blood pressure and also schedule other medical appointments. Why for the period tracker, it allows you to log your period, manage medications that you take during your period, and also analyze the symptoms using artificial intelligence. So for instance, you log in a period for, let's say last month you had your period at May 4, on May 4, and it ends at May 7, right? And for that period you had cramps, you had headache and fatigue. You're able to log that. So it calculates the average period length, which is 4 days, and your average cycle length, which is 28 days. It also talks about your fertility window, which is between May 13 to May 18. So let's say we log in another period for this month of June. So let's say the period starts today and it's going to end, let's say on the 11th, right? So you pick the kind of, you can also type the kind of, symptoms that actually accompany the period, then you save it. So you can also use artificial intelligence to analyze, those symptoms. So for instance, you pick the period, you get an instant artificial intelligence based analysis. So just as you can see, AI insights for cycle starting June 8th, cramps, which is a common menstrual cycle, a symptom considered in therapy. It also gives you the kind of, solutions that can help, reduce those symptoms or eradicate those symptoms. And for our community, we have a community where women can come in to engage and share similar experiences. So in this community, we also have, an embedded AI fact checking that fact checks every information that is posted in this community to ensure the safety and circulation of credible and trusted information across the community for pregnant women. Thank you.